said this really quick before my film runs out. I had the worst day ever. I had to get the checkup because yesterday I had an MRI, and today they found out that they can't tell if it's a cyst or a tumor because it's growing in a different way on my kidney. So so I have to wait 3 more months before I get another MRI. And I went to my regular doctor to update her on what's going on. And they wanted my kidney doctor's number to get a referral from, to see what happened with my MRI. And so I'm talking to my mom over the phone about everything, and she's screaming at me about that, my regular doctor isn't allowed to go tell my kidney doctor what to do, and I'm like, no, that's not what it was. It was just a checkup, and they want to put all my files in my filing system. And then she's screaming at me about something else, and I'm like, I don't need this. I still have to go to Walgreens and drop off my medicine. And then she's like, well, you have to hurry up because my boyfriend is waiting for the UPS guy, and we don't want you to watch it. I'll look for the UPS guy, otherwise he won't get his diabetes medicine. So fucking pissed. I'm never pissed. I'm usually really sweet, but if I ever cop an attitude, there's a really good reason for it. And sometimes I'm just like really frustrated that no one will ever just ask me, hey, Nicole, what's wrong? No, it's just, you're a bitch, I want to get away from you. You're a bitch, fuck you, and I'm tired of it. So, the moral of the story is, if you're a nice person, don't let anyone walk all over you. And if you're a bully and you have to walk over somebody else, at least have the decency to ask them why they're having an attitude, because more than likely, you're probably causing the attitude. Okay, and that's all for I Love You Zombie Tits on attitudes. Bye.